Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to merge XML files into PDF format step by step. If you need to combine XML data and convert it into a readable PDF document, this tutorial is for you. For this example, we have two files. We have an XML file, and as you can see, we have an XML type and a PDF file. To merge your XML into a PDF, all you have to do is open your browser and type XML to PDF in the search bar. Next, convert your XML. Choose your file, select the XML, and then convert it to a PDF. Wait for the process to finish, then click Download to save the file. Once the download is complete, as you can see, it is now converted. Now we need to merge it. Open your browser again and go to Canva or any app you are comfortable with. Start by choosing your PDF. Upload your PDF by selecting the file. Now go to your downloads and select this PDF. This is your first PDF. Download it. Once the download is done, open that file. Here is our first PDF. Next, we will upload the XML that was converted to PDF. Click Upload again so the files appear. Then choose the XML that was converted into a PDF and download it. Once it is done, open it. Here is your converted XML file. Now, all we need to do is press Ctrl+A to select all, then copy it, and go back to your first PDF. Add a new page and paste the XML content into your PDF. As you can see, they are now merged into one file. All that is left is to click Share and download the file so it saves as one PDF. Once the download is complete, we can confirm it. Here is your combined XML and PDF file. This method helps you merge XML files and convert them into PDF format using simple online tools. It makes it easy to organize your XML content into a single, easy-to-share PDF file. Now you know how to convert and merge XML files into PDF format.